Now this is Bass Fishing. This is fishing with Quincy Artist, not Jeremy Wade. I'm trying to catch a river monster, but I caught a little river monster. It's a little bass. He's about, I don't know, about 2 pounds, 3 pounds. Pretty good size. Try to film catching the next. All right.